Welcome to this overview of the John Deere 210 excavator, a powerful and versatile machine that's perfect for a wide range of digging, grading, and excavation tasks. The John Deere 210 is powered by a 60 horsepower diesel engine, which gives it plenty of strength and power to tackle even the toughest jobs. It has a digging depth of nearly 10 feet and a bucket capacity of nearly 2 cubic yards, making it easy to move a large volume of dirt and materials in one go. In addition to its impressive specifications, the John Deere 210 also has a number of features that make it a breeze to use. It has a comfortable, air-conditioned cab that provides a pleasant work environment, even on hot days, and with a hydraulic thumb, you can easily pick up and move heavy objects with ease. The John Deere 210 excavator is a versatile machine that can be used in a variety of settings, including construction, landscaping, and agricultural work. It is also well suited for tasks such as digging foundations, installing utilities, and even dredging rivers and streams. In terms of cost, the John Deere 210 excavator is very reasonably priced, especially considering its wide range of features and capabilities. With proper maintenance and care, these machines can last for many years, making them a great value for the price. As far as training, we feel that this size of machine is best suited for new students. It provides a stable undercarriage as opposed to a smaller mini excavator, and it is not so big that it is overwhelming to the students. So, if you're in need of a reliable, powerful excavator that can handle just about any job you throw its way, the John Deere 210 is definitely worth considering. Its impressive specifications and convenient features make it a top choice for professionals in a variety of industries. Thank you for watching this quick overview of the John Deere 210 excavator. I hope this information was helpful and gave you a better understanding of the features and capabilities of this powerful machine. If you have any further questions or would like to learn more about the John Deere 210 excavator, please ask them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you like the content I have been putting out.